So I'm Dr. Andy White, I'm in the Department of Mathematics and I'm a reader in mathematics. And my project has been using mathematics to understand the replacement of red squirrels by grey squirrels in the UK. This research is important because the red squirrel is a conservation species in the UK. It's been threatened by the grey squirrel and it has been replaced by the grey squirrel in large regions of the UK. There are only now certain regions in the UK where red squirrels remain, and that's mainly in the Northern Highlands of Scotland and in isolated protected regions in southern Scotland and in England and in Wales. In my research, we've been using mathematical models to try and understand why greys replace reds. Historically, they thought it was just that the greys were better competitors for food and resources, but more recently they discovered that there's a disease that the greys carry but doesn't do them any harm, but which is lethal to the reds and kills them quickly. We used mathematics to show that when you included the disease in the model, the reds disappeared in around 6 years, and when you didn't include the disease, it took around 20 years for the greys to replace the reds. So it really showed how important the disease was in this replacement process. The research showed that the disease was important, and this was picked up by the conservation agencies who are protecting red squirrels. So that's the Scottish Natural Heritage and the Scottish Wildlife Trust. And for around 5 or 10 years now, they've had plans which is to try and prevent the disease from spreading throughout southern Scotland. However, recently they discovered that the disease is spreading much more quickly than they'd hoped. So they got back in touch with us, and we've been using mathematical models to try and understand why the disease is spreading so quickly, and hopefully to work out ways in which we can prevent disease spread.